What's going on? It's me, and we're making a Rube Goldberg machine. Thumbs up and subscribe because why not? Also, it's free. Buy one, get one free. We are building our Rube Goldberg machine. I actually have dominoes from bulkdominoes.com, which are made for building with. I've already made a few Rube Goldberg machines, but since it's homework, I wanted to do it because it's fun. So we have orange, we have purple, we have white, and we have clear, and we have dark blue and light blue. We have some Jenga blocks right here. We have a yo-yo that we can use to roll. Oh, we have Lego spacers. These are made for spacing the dominoes perfectly so that we won't fail as often. Spacing, it's cool. We have string just in case we need it. These are domino direction changers of your dominoes, so if it gets hit right here, it'll swing around and hit that other domino, like that. Big dominoes, so that we can knock down books and stuff. All right, so right now I am. My brother's washing out a trash can because we are going to make a Coke can fall off of this right here, this ledge. It's gonna roll off of here and it's gonna go into a trash can that's gonna be under it. Domino line up here that's gonna roll off, or not roll, it's gonna fall into a Coke can that's gonna knock off into the trash can. But this is just the end of it. We're gonna have a string that is gonna lead something to fall into the domino, so I'll update you once we're done with that. Alright, so I'm officially almost done. All I have to do is fill in the safety gaps. This is a safety gap. The safety gap is where you just have a few dominoes or whatever you're building with out of the project. So if it falls, it's not gonna knock over the whole thing. But I'm mostly done with everything else. So boom, it's going to go from here. It's gonna knock over the tape. It's gonna go there. String pull, that domino pulls the string that's gonna pull that domino down. It's gonna knock that domino course down, and that ball is gonna roll into another domino line, which is gonna set off a Sonomod track, which just pulls out the track and then all the way over to there, where it's gonna knock over a toilet roll and then into another domino line. I just thought about that. That's not gonna. And it might work. Okay, and then it'll go over to this thing, knock over into there, and then turn around going with some slow stones all the way over to here and into the cup pyramid, which will lead it up to the domino line up there, knocking a Coke into the trash can, which is our goal. I kind of want to make it bigger, but it's so hard. So we're basically done. And so we are going to start this up. There is a Coke can over there. It's gonna fall in that trash can. But most of the best part is that we're looking at 3, 2, 1.
Wow, first try.
Yeah,
That was cool.
3, 2, 1.
Go in or say whatever you want. Thanks for watching.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Comment and subscribe and like if you like this video. Make sure to also comment too. All of that stuff, it makes this video go higher so we can make more videos and entertain you guys while you guys are in quarantine. Yep, that's it.